In this video, I'm going to show you how to place trades with NinjaTrader Chart Trader. Now to do this, first of course you want to open a chart you want to use inside NinjaTrader. So go to your control center, click on the new and then chart, and of course pull up the chart which you want and hit OK. Now once you do this, I do have a chart here already. You can just go to the top and click on this button, which is the Chart Trader. Now by default, usually it's going to be off. So what you want to do is hit this Chart Trader button over here, and there we go, you have the Chart Trader enabled over here. So to place trades, it's actually super simple to do this. You want to first go and select the account. Let me actually do a connection to my simulated data feed so I can actually get the account. There we go. Make sure you are connected. If you are not, it's not really going to work for you. And then from here, of course, you have a bunch of different options. There's buy market, sell market, buy ask, sell ask, buy bid, sell bid, and a bunch of different ones. So I'm actually going to go to instrument. You can just pick the one you want to use. Usually it's going to be the one on your chart. So if you want to change this, you're going to have to change your chart to be able to actually do it. Then, of course, over here, TIF, I'm going to do GTC. And then here, I'm going to do account. I'm going to use this SIM 101. And then the order quantity can also be set. I'm going to do, let's do 3 for now. And then if you have any ATM strategies, you can just use them here. I'm actually going to do none. And then down here, you can, of course, see it's going to give you like your summary. Then you can hit the buy market or sell market or whatever you want to do up top. And that's going to basically ask you to confirm it. So click on yes or no. And there we go.
Filled.
As you can see, it says order filled in the back, and that's essentially all you have to do to achieve this, okay? And here you'll be able to see kind of my order, which I have over here. But yeah, that's essentially how this works. Now, of course, you can then go back here and you can place multiple more orders if you want to.
Filled.
And yeah, that's really there is to it. Super simple to actually place trades with the NinjaTrader Chart Trader. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.